Bike ride number 2, we're going to Yack and Back, which is, I thought I'd remember the name of the place. I can never fucking remember.
Yackandandah.
We're going to bike from Beechworth to Yackandandah and back. It's 9:05 and it's 26 degrees and it's going to get to 40 degrees today. So we are going to use e-bike so we can go fast to keep us cool in the breeze. We're going to hammer it out, stop for a coffee and probably a snack of some description, and then we're actually going to bike back. They do this pickup service where you can get the minibus to pick you up, but we're not doing that. We're going to bike back. Well, we'll see. We might get there right now. I'm not biking that, but we'll see. Now let's have a look at the trail.
We're biking for 2 minutes. I think we're
We've
lost
got to
already.
find out where we are on the map. Bloody hell. That's a long downhill. Very long downhill. The way up might be a bit hard.
So good. Look at all of that filling.
That is a Yackandandah pie at the Gumtree Pies shop. Now we're riding our keep uphill 34 degrees. What? Bloody hell, it's freaking warm now. Holy moly. That was a good little short. We didn't take a shortcut. That was a good little long cut. We're going that way. What is it, about 10k back from here? It's my first wild koala.